In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Photoshop file to Google Slides. This might sound a little tricky at first, but I'll walk you through step by step. First, open your web browser and head to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account so you can access your files. Next, you can start a new presentation by clicking Blank Presentation or pick a template if you prefer. Either way, this will be the workspace where you'll insert your Photoshop file. Now, go to the top menu and click File, then select Open. From the left-hand side, choose Upload. Here, you can drag and drop your Photoshop file or browse to select it. Important note, Google Slides doesn't read PSD files directly. If your file is still in PSD format, open it in Photoshop first and export it as a JPEG or PNG. These formats work perfectly with Google Slides. Once uploaded, your image will appear right on your slide. You can resize, move, or arrange it just like any other element in your presentation. Be mindful of your design. If you have multiple Photoshop images, make sure they align consistently with your overall slide layout. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a Photoshop file into Google Slides. With a little practice, this will become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.